Today's video is a Market Owl dashboard tutorial, and the focus will be the quick market sector. Anywhere you see orange font, you can change the information. You can change your data provider, and you can change the benchmark for the quick risk section and the intermarket section. And anytime you see blue font, you can change that as well. The first section is the index. You can change this to any ticker that you want, any index, any ETF, but this is a top-down workbook, so it makes sense to have an index. Then we have the quick risk section. We've got VIXX, a semiconductor, transportation, and Dow utilities. In the intermarket, we have the US dollar, oil, gold, and 20-year treasury. Here we've got the bid price. They're all structured the same. Percent change for the day versus percent change from the open, where price is in the range. This is 99.5% right now, meaning that QQQ is at the very tip top of its range for the day. If it were at 5 or 10%, it would be near the bottom of the day. Then you have the up-down volume ratio and an adjustable simple moving average. Just type in the moving average that you want where the blue font is. It takes just a quick moment and it changes. For quick risk, we have the same thing, percent change from open, range, but instead of up-down volume ratio, it's relative strength. And that's relative strength comparison is against the benchmark that you've set up here. So compare to QQQ. What is the relative strength of the VIX, the semis, the transportation, the utilities? You can quickly see. And then another adjustable moving average. For intermarket, it's absolutely identical. Price, ticker, percent change from open, range, relative strength, and adjustable moving average. Now we jump down to sector leaders. Again, you see another adjustable benchmark. In this case, we're using IWM. The adjacent data is the percent change for the day and then percent change from the open. Same for the previous ones we covered. These are automatically sorted from leading in the first box to lagging in the last box. You can see that XLY did particularly well today. It not only did well for the day, but you can see that since the open, it has climbed almost 1%. And it's closing the day at the top, nearly at the top of the range, and that it's 5% above the 20 SMA. You can find more data related to the quick market section in other locations in the workbook. The first one is the quick market data tab. Notice this section is blue. The tab down at the bottom of the workbook is also blue. Just click on it. And here you can change the tickers. You want to make sure that there's no spaces before the tickers, and that if you copy and paste them from another Excel spreadsheet, that the cells are not locked. You just have to check the Format tab and go to the protections and make sure it's not locked. I covered that in another previous video. So here, if you're not happy with these ETFs, you can always change them. So your main page for a quick market recap or review is going to be on the Quick Market tab, the main Market Owl dashboard page in the Quick Market section, and Owl Watch number 2. I hope this information helps. Thanks for watching and good fills, everyone. If you found my free educational materials helpful, I encourage you to make a donation to the Children's Therapy Center, an outstanding nonprofit organization that helps children with special needs. You can also give without actually giving by using Amazon Smile. Amazon Smile is run by Amazon.com, and a portion of your purchases will go to the charity of your choice. Simply select Children's Therapy Center, located in Kent, Washington. You can find more about the Children's Therapy Center on my website on the Principles page. You can also find links to CTC on my YouTube channel in the About section, as well as under every video that I produce. Also consider donating if you've had a great year in trading. Be generous, contribute, give back. Lend a hand to those in need. You can find more free educational material on my website. Under the Education tab, you'll find helpful podcasts, YouTubes, chat room information, book suggestions, webinars, presentations, and helpful resource links. There's information on lessons learned and psychology, trades made, a dedicated section to trading growth stocks, market information, helpful tools and discounts on trading services, information on XLQ, an Excel plugin that retrieves real-time and historical financial data, market and stock analysis. And there's an assortment of videos on my YouTube channel. All this information is for educational purposes only, and the goal is to help you build a solid foundation that you can expand upon. Our chat room is popular and a favorite for many growth stock traders. Take the time to build a solid foundation of understanding before you begin trading. Take the time to clearly define your setups, your entry triggers, your sell rules, and most importantly, have a thorough plan for risk management. The first step in that journey is learning. There are no shortcuts to successful trading, so take the time to research and to educate yourself thoroughly.